Gulfood Manufacturing. We have the pleasure of meeting Luigi Parolini, Sales Director East Europe, Middle East and Africa. Your company is taking part in this important exhibition for the first time. What opportunities do you see in the Middle East, especially for coffee?
This is the first time we take part to this important exhibition, and we see it as a great opportunity to strengthen our presence in a very dynamic area. The Middle East is a very dynamic area, growing very fast, particularly in coffee business, and this is our core business, Goglio core business, with an increased focus on quality and innovation. For us, this is the ideal place to present Goglio integrated solution for flexible packaging and build partnership with local producers looking for efficiencies and sustainability.
How does Fresco system improve efficiency and sustainability in coffee packaging?
The Fresco system is a Goglio distinguished feature. It brings together all the elements of a packaging process: packaging line, high barrier flexible laminates, plastic accessories such as valves and advanced service into one complete system that Goglio can provide to its customers. When it comes to sustainability, we have developed recyclable monomaterial laminates made of polyethylene and polypropylene, which maintain excellent protection while reducing environmental impact. Our lines are designed to work perfectly with these new sustainable materials, ensuring high efficiency, flexibility and quality. At this fair, we are particularly focused on G14, a compact and versatile multi-option vertical form and fill and seal, starting from real packaging line for atmosphere conditioning with inert gas compensation. And G22, a fully automatic vacuum vertical form and fill and seal, starting from real packaging line for vacuum conditioning with partial or total inert gas flash. For Goglio, it is not just about a material or a machine. It's about their integration and how to work together to optimize the entire production process.
Goglio has been pioneer in aseptic packaging. Can you tell us more?
Aseptic packaging is part of Goglio DNA. Our system allows food products such as tomato concentrate, paste and pulp, fruit and vegetable juices, and iced product to be processed and stored at room temperature without any preservative, while maintaining their organoleptic properties, taste and nutritional value for a longer shelf life.
So thanks, and I wish you a great exhibition.
Thank you, and I invite you to discover all our fully integrated solutions.